Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and look what I have here. That is right, the Galaxy S10 Plus. Got it here in hand, ready to be unboxed. I am super excited. I actually just got back to my hotel right now from the Unpacked event, and it was amazing. There was just so much that they showed. They finally officially unveiled the foldable device called the Galaxy Fold, and it looked absolutely beautiful, a lot better than what I had imagined before, so I'm really impressed with that. The price is a bit high, but I was impressed with that phone, coming with 6 cameras, and then they showed us the S10 Plus, the regular S10, then the S10e, and then also some Galaxy watches. But I got this in hand right now, ready to be unboxed. So without any more waiting, let's get this unboxing started. All right, so here we go. I am super excited. So in the front of the box, we got the S10 Plus. And then over on this side, we got the Samsung Galaxy S10 branding. Nothing on this side, nothing on top. But then in the back, you don't really see any specs for the phone, except for that it is the unlocked version by Samsung and the 128GB version as well. No color or anything like that, so we'll figure out the color when we get the box open. But the box does contain the Galaxy S10 Plus, wall-on USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector, quick reference guide and terms and conditions. So I actually don't have a knife for this, so give me a second. I'm gonna peel this tape off and we'll see what's inside. All right, so I got the tape off. As you can see, I took off a little bit of the back as well, but that's okay as long as we get the box open. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Look at that, the S10 Plus. You can see the 2 cameras up front right here. Let me go ahead and take this out of the box. Let's see what color it is. I'm really hoping it's the white color. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. Hold on, let me take this plastic off really quick. This is the most satisfying sound right here. See that? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the way it shines. This is the one I wanted since I first found out what colors this device was coming in. You can see the 3 cameras in the back with the flash and the sun. Look at that. Okay, you can see the reflections of the building from my view in here on the back of this phone. Look at absolutely beautiful. I'm sorry if I keep saying that, but I am actually really impressed with this. You guys let me know your thoughts so far down below. And then we got the metal side as well. This is a glass back, it is not ceramic. And then we also have this plastic on the screen as well, which I can take off. This is actually a screen protector, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it actually comes with the screen protector. There's no bubbles or anything like that. So I think I'm gonna leave it on for now. That's amazing, look at that. You never see that on a Samsung device actually coming with this. At least I think it's a screen protector. I'll let you guys know how it starts to hold up. If it starts peeling off, then maybe it's not an official screen protector that's supposed to be on. But for now, to leave my screen protected, I am going to leave it on. But you can see the 2 cameras up front. Look at that. You can see the little earpiece right there. Yes, this does still have the headphone jack. Samsung kept that. Great job, Samsung. It does look like we have some plastic that could be peeled off here on the sides though. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off really quick. It goes all around the edges. All right, there we go. So we got all the plastic off. And I noticed you can't, I mean, this is a fingerprint magnet, obviously, but you can't really see it as much on this white color. It's crazy. Like usually on the darker colors you can, but I'm putting my fingerprints all over it. And look at that, you can't really notice it that much. So that's really good about this color. I'm liking that. Now you do have a slight camera hump in the back, but it's not the biggest, so it's not that big of a deal. But yes, Samsung did keep the headphone jack. You got the charging port and the speaker. Then you see a microphone right on the bottom, and there's also a microphone up top, and also the SIM and SD card slot. So before we boot this up, let me go ahead and set it to the side for now, and let's see what else comes in the box. So you got these AKG earbuds right here that come in white as well, and they actually look really nice. Look at this. Let me see if I can get them out of here. Open this up. Look at that. The material on these feel really nice. It actually feels like the last AKG earbuds that came with the Note 9 and the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but they actually look really good. I like the white and silver color combo right there. So actually really impressed with this. This is cool because, you know, it does come with a headphone jack. So why not give us some headphones to plug in? All right, so next in the box is the charging brick right here. What else do we got? What comes in here? Let's see. I think this is the cable. Yep, this is the cable, USB Type C. Let me go ahead and set this over to the side. And then we got this, and that's it. Nothing else comes in the box. I didn't even see the terms and conditions or anything. Like, oh, here we go. It's hiding up here. It got stuck. So let me go ahead and pull this out really quick. There we go. So let's see what's inside of here. Obviously, the terms and conditions, the user manual, and all that nobody really ever reads. And then you got the SIM ejector tool right there. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. You got the SIM ejector tool. You got the headphones, the charging brick, and then the beautiful Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and boot this up, turn it on, set it up, and let's take a dive into the device and see what's inside. All right, so actually before I set the phone up real quick, I wanna show you guys the display with the hole on the top right here for the 2 cameras. And honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was. It's actually flush with the screen, which is good. Doesn't have no hump or anything like that. Let me get a closer look at it so you guys can see what it looks like. And honestly, I don't think it looks that bad. It looks like, you know, a little pill up there. But overall, the display looks good. Very, very thin bezels. Looking beautiful. But let me go ahead and set this up now and see what it has to offer. All right, so I got the phone turned on and ready to go. And the first thing I want to look at is the lock screen right here. Look at this. I notice it changes every time. It doesn't stay the same. At least that's the way they have it set up right now. You see that? Look at that. So you got your time, you got your date, notifications, you got a call button, the camera button, and then the in-display fingerprint scanner. Now I already have that set up, so let's see how well it works. Now remember, I do got this little thin screen protector that came with it. So let's try it out and see if it works with that screen protector on. It was able to read my thumb when it was setting it up, so let's unlock it. Look at that. Still works, and it actually works really good. I like the little animation it comes with as well. Look at this. Working good, and the display looks beautiful. Look at this. I mean, I don't know if the camera can justify how good this screen looks, but it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm loving it so far. So let's go ahead and go through the phone a little bit, see how it performed. Look at that. Look how snappy it is. Wow. Now that's pretty fast if you ask me. Look at that. Very, very responsive. Very responsive. I'm impressed. Very, very snappy. Looking beautiful. And you got your button layouts down here. Got the back button, got the home button, and then the recent app button. So that's working good. Let's go ahead and go into the settings. Let's see what they got in the settings. So you got your connections here, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, phone visibility, NFC and payment, airplane mode, all the usual stuff, sounds and vibrations, ringtone notifications, do not disturb, app icon badges, your status bar. Now you can pick either 3 recent notifications or all notifications. And of course, I got to turn on the battery percentage. So currently has 75% battery life. So I'm going to leave that on. I'll go ahead and just leave it as it is for now until I get to play with it a little bit more. Then you got the display. The brightness is a little bit less than halfway. Got the adaptive brightness on, blue light filter, night mode, screen mode. You can pick natural or vivid. I'll go ahead and just leave it on natural for now because it's looking good the way it is. Font size and style, screen zoom, and then screen resolution. I'm going to turn that all the way up. WQHD plus. Apply that. Then you got the full screen apps, screen timeout after 30 seconds of inactivity. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to 1 minute. That way it's not turning off on me. You got the home screen settings. You got the edge screen, which you can customize how you want as well. Navigation bar, accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, and screensaver. So those are the settings for that. And then we have stuff like display, wallpapers and themes, lock screen, biometrics and security, accounts and backup, Google, advanced features, just all the normal settings that you usually see in a Samsung device. Now, one of the big things I do want to check out is the cameras because they made a big deal about these cameras at the event. It's got a 12 megapixel main sensor and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens and then a 16 megapixel wide angle camera, which I am excited for. I've been waiting for them to bring that wide angle lens to the camera. So let me go ahead and open up the camera here. See, we got the Galaxy S10 box right here. So this is with the regular camera. And then let's go ahead and do the ×2 telephoto zoom. And then the wide angle. Look at that. Look at that. Go from regular to wide. Look how much of a difference that makes. That is amazing. This is something I have been waiting for a long time to come to Samsung. They finally did it right this time. Look at that. That is amazing. I'm loving the wide angle. Let's see, for video, you can also use the wide angle. You got the regular and then telephoto as well. You got super slow-mo, regular slow motion, hyperlapse, and then what else? You also got the live focus. Let's test that out really quick. I might need to clean the lenses in the back, but yes, you get the live focus as well. Let's see, allow location and deny for now. Looking good, looking good. Then we got pro mode, panorama, and then a food mode. So let me go ahead and check out the front facing camera. Let's see, let's just go up like this. What's up? Yeah, that's right, I'm recording on my Galaxy Note 9. Let's see, so you got that, and then you also got a little bit of a wider angle lens as well. And this can record in 4K. Let me take a picture. Take another picture. What? So yeah, this can actually record in 4K on the front-facing camera, which is amazing. I'm sure that's something people have been waiting about for a long time, especially people that vlog with their phone. You can now vlog with this, have some great quality video in 4K just by using the front-facing camera. So yeah, you guys, so far I am very impressed with this device. It is absolutely beautiful. This thing is a beast, and I am so happy that they finally gave us a wide-angle lens in the back and actually allows us to record in 4K with the front-facing camera as well. So far I am impressed. Great job, Samsung. But of course, I'm going to have to use it for a bit, test it out, see how well it performs over my usage, watch some videos on it, listen to some music, see how well the speakers are, and then I can bring a good review. But you guys let me know your thoughts so far down below. What do you think of this phone, especially this beautiful color? This thing is absolutely beautiful. I can't get over it. But you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.